you say window?
No.
Window. Can you say hi, Mama?
Mama.
Yeah. You want to give Mommy a kissy? Give Mommy a kissy. Oh. It's not in there. Thank you. Hey, can you say Oscar? Where'd you go? Tessie, where's the baby? There she is. Peekaboo. Oh, you got a bear. Can you say bear? Yeah, what's a bear say? Yeah. Hey, can you sing for Mama? My little pony, my little pony. Ah, he's a good singer. Can you sing a song?
Yeah.
Where's the rest of it? Sing your song.
Yeah.
You're a pretty singer.
No.
Hey, can you say Oscar?
Oscar.
Oscar, yeah. Can you say Baba? Tessie.
Baba.
Yeah. Can you say Mima?
Mama.
Yeah. Can you say Nana?
Mama.
Say Nana.
Nana.
Nana. Can you say Grandpa?
Nana.
Can you say Sarah?
Tessa.
Yeah. Can you say Tessa?
Tessa.
Yeah. Can you say Sissy? Say Sissy.
Sissy.
Yeah. Can you say I love you? Hey, pretty girl. Can you say I love you? I love you.
Sissy. That.
You want to CC dat? Hey, can you say CC dat? Quit pulling on that. Skunk. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Where'd the baby go? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Where's the baby? Uh-oh. There she is. Oh, there she is. Sissy, where? Uh-oh, who do you hear? Say I love you. Ew. You gonna eat the bear? Say I love you. Hey, can you say bye-bye? Say bye-bye.
Baba.
Can you blow Mama a kissy? Hey, blow Mommy a kissy. Oh, you just gonna kiss me? Thank you. Go. No. Can you say no? No. Hey, do you love Mama?
Mama.
No. Do you love Dada?
Dada.
Do you love Dada?
Dada.
Yes? Or no?
No.
No. Do you like chocolate?
No.
No. Do you like pancakes?
Mmm.
Pancakes.
Baba.
You say